Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone and welcome to my presentation. I'm Diapikanti Dewanti. I'm a lecturer at Universitas Muhammadiyah Yogyakarta. Today in my presentation I would like to discuss about the influence of mentor teaching skills and family environment on interest in entrepreneurship learning. The aim of my presentation is to determine how the influence of the teaching skills of mentors as independent variable 1 and family environment as independent variable 2 on interest in learning entrepreneurship as dependent variable in Academy Management Administrasi IPK Yogyakarta. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, in my presentation, I will divide into three major issues. The first is research background, the second is research methodology, and the last is result and discussion. Right? Let's move to the next slide. Education is a necessity and the right of every individual, including students, as agent of change. Students obtain life skills through doing various activities, including knowledge and skills about entrepreneurship. Entrepreneurship is not a subject that is studied, but certain field or special interests. The current online learning obstructs the entrepreneurship learning process, especially in field studies such as trade or market day practices and business visits that previously became best practice. Therefore, learning effort should constantly be carried out supporting infrastructure. For example, an educator or teacher or mentor gives example in motivating students. Likewise, the family environment is the closest environment for students, where most of the pattern of entrepreneurship activity come from. For the reason, the pursuit of entrepreneurship for students is a common concern. Well, all the two variables of the skill of mentors and the environment the main reference for the sustainability of learning entrepreneurship. Let's go to the next slide. Okay. In the next slide, I will discuss theoretical review. There are 4 points here. Number 1, entrepreneurship interest. Number 2, entrepreneur knowledge. Number 3, family environment. And the last is mentor teaching skill. Let's move to number 1. Interest is a person's awareness of an object or situation. So, some indicator of interest. Number 1, feeling happy. Number 2, learner's interest. Number 3, involvement of learners. And the last is learner's attention. In the second theoretical review, a Wawan in 2011 said the accumulation of curiosity other people make observation on a particular object is the mean of entrepreneur knowledge. And next, family environment. Hairani in 2011 said her board's primary education and first received by a child. It is reversed 2 as the main environment because part of a child's life is in the family. And last, mentor teaching skill. There are point indicator here. Number 1, opening and closing, and then ability to explain, questioning skill, and next providing reinforcement, and then varying the stimulus, and class management skill, skill to guide discussion, as well as group study skill. Okay, in the next slide, I will discuss research methodology. There are many points here. Number 1, population and sample. In my population is defined as the world research subject, and the population in my research is the Academy of Administrative Management of YPK Yogyakarta. And the sample, according to Sugiono, the sample is part of characteristic number, and the sampling technique used in this research was Roscoe theory, which said that the number of samples to use is 80 respondents. Research design. The research design was use quantitative method. This research used data to investigate a certain population or sample. And next, data collection technique. There are 2 here, questionnaire and documentation. Okay, here's about operational variable definition. There are 2 points here. Definition number 1, mentor teaching skill and family environment as the independent variable, and number 2, entrepreneur learning interest as the dependent variable. There are 2 instrumentals, validity tests and reliability tests. And the classical assumption test, there are 3 points here: multicollinearity test, normality test, and heteroscedasticity test. Okay, let's move to the analysis method. There are analysis prerequisite tests and linearity tests. And hypothesis testing, there are 3 points here: determination test, simultaneous test, and partial test. Now, we go to next slide. Please kindly check the table here, result and discussion. Besides on table, the characteristic of respondent as the majority are women with a percentage of 82.5% of 66 students. Okay, we can check here. And the validity and reliability test. Based on the reliability test, the question item is valid and reliable if the answer to each question remain consistent. And then result and discussion about classical assumption test. Normality test is please kindly look at the table. Okay, and then here multicollinearity test. It means the tolerance value of 0.236 bigger than 0.10. And heteroscedasticity test, if the significance is greater than 0.05. Okay, and the last of my presentation is conclusion. There are 5 points here. Based on the result of the validity and reliability test, all questions for the variable teaching skill and environment on interest in learning entrepreneurship were valid. And then, based on the reliability test, the question item was valid and reliable. Okay, Please kindly look at the table here. And then the last, from the result, the percentage of the influence of the two variables x1 and x2 on yield variable was 92.6%, while the remaining 8.4% was influenced by other variables outside in the study. And the last point here in my conclusion, from the table, variable x2 or learning environment have a greater influence and contribution of 82.3% compared to the x1 variable or mentor skill only with 15.7%. Well, this is my presentation and thank you very much.